Hi guys, so today I want us to talk about our porcelain water. Right now, a lot of you have been asking me how you're supposed to use the porcelain water. You can use the porcelain water in your final product, in your creams, in your face creams, in your body creams. You can use it as a serum base mixed with your distilled water, propylene glycol, glycerin, and all of that. It's basically a product that you can use in all of your skincare products, all of your creams and serums, leave-on products. But I won't advise you to use it in soaps and all of that. It won't work there. So this is basically to be used in your creams, in your serums, okay, in your toners, right? Now this is a bleaching agent. This is a skin whitening agent, okay? This is not to be used directly on the skin because it's concentrated, of course. So you can use this in your bleaching creams, in your creams that you want to give you a faster result or that will give you different shades. But if you are using this product in your body creams, I'll advise that you use it with your Skin Perfector concentrates. And I know you will ask me why. Now, this does not contain anything that will help to, beautify the skin and all of that. This is basically to give you a whitening effect. Now, if you want to incorporate that beautiful polished finish, you want to incorporate that cleansing of the skin that will clean the skin, even as your skin is getting brighter, you are having a clean, brighter complexion, then combine this with the Skin Perfector serum, right? Now, this is a cheaper version of the raw whitening concentrate or raw whitening oil. This is a way more cheaper option. But if you're looking for something that will boost your creams and give you nice whitening effect, this is good. Like I said, this is a cheaper version of the the raw whitening oil. The raw whitening oil is a more advanced form of this particular product. It's a more advanced product formula. Now, a lot of you asked if you can use this, use the Skin Perfector concentrate and then use the raw whitening oil. Please don't. That will be too much. That will be too much. If you want to combine them, you can combine this and the Skin Perfector serum, or you can combine the Skin Perfector serum and the raw whitening oil, right? But please don't use all three of them at once in one product. It's not going to work. Or another way that you can use it, is if you add it in different products. So you can use the Skin Perfector serum for, a Skin Perfector serum and this one in your body cream, and then you can use the raw whitening oil in your face cream, or vice versa. But don't ever use all three of them in one product, please. That's going to be outrageous, going to be too much. So this is available both in retail and wholesale. So if you want to buy this and you want to resell, this is a more cheaper version of the raw whitening oil. Does it give the same effect? It gives a beautiful result. It gives a really beautiful result, especially when you use it in your face creams. It helps to, brighten the face, dark spots and all of that. But you need to combine this with your Skin Perfector serum if you're going to use it on your body. I know that I've not really talked about this product and what it does, and that's why I'm talking about it now. Now, if you want to use this in a cream that you made from scratch, you can substitute the percentage that you're using for this you can remove or deduct the percentage that you're using from this from your water phase. So you have your oil and your water phase. Now you can remove the quantity of this that you will use in that formulation, deduct it from your water phase, and then after you have made your product, when your product has cooled down, you can add this product to make up the water concentration. Do you understand? If you don't understand, please leave a comment in the comment section and I will explain it better. So this helps to whiten your skin. It's a bleaching agent. It's a bleaching agent. I just don't want to call it bleaching concentrate because, you know, so I rather call it porcelain water, right? So it has a more elegant feel to it, if that makes sense. So this is a bleaching concentrate. It's a bleaching product. So if you're making those products that you want to sell as skin bleaching products that will whiten up to 5-10 shades, this one, right? The raw whitening oil is also almost the same, but that is a more advanced concentrate that contains more, you know, more advanced ingredients. I don't know how else to explain it. That's why it is more expensive. And that also has other benefits like anti-aging that will help to remove, if you use it in your face cream, it will help to cleanse your pores, reduce the production of sebum, you know, reduce pimple and acne and all of that, give you a very smooth, beautiful, flawless finish without any spots and all of that. If you remember, I used to have a lot of dark spots because I'm always pinching my face because I'm always breaking out from trying a lot of products. But using the concentrate, the raw whitening oil in my product, and also using the Pina soap, my face is now way smoother than it usually would be. I used to have a little sunburn around here because I live in Abuja. I'm always out in the sun, but you can see that that has cleared out as well. All the spots have cleared out. So that's what that one has. That's the advantage of the raw whitening oil. It doesn't only whiten your skin, it also helps to clean out your skin, give you a flawless finish, help with pimples. So if you want to make acne products, you can also use that. That's for mild acne products. We have more concentrates coming, don't worry. So if you want to make mild acne products, you can use the raw whitening oil in the face cream and it will give you a phenomenal result. While this one doesn't have those benefits, this one only whitens your skin. So if you're going to be looking for a whitening product, you can use this one and the Skin Perfector concentrate, or you can use this one and the raw whitening oil as well in a small quantity to give you, or you can just buy the raw whitening oil instead of this. If you want to get all the benefits that I have mentioned earlier, get the raw whitening oil. If you're looking for just something that will whiten your skin, then get this product. Okay, I don't know if there's anything else I want to say. So we have this in stock both for retail and wholesale. So if you want to buy this to resell, we have available for resellers. I will just send me a message and I will send you our the concentrates that we have available right now. I will send you the price list, and then you can check them and pick the one that will best suit you. But these are products that are really effective. Can you see my knuckles? You can see how clean my knuckles are. This is the work of the Skin Perfector concentrate. Okay, so let me know if you have any more questions and I will definitely help you answer them and get you along.